Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to give you the probable answers regarding IoT week 9 assignment. So friends, these are my probable answers and I will intimate you which questions are somewhat doubt for me, and I will give you the answers in which I am very confident. So let's get into the video. Before this, please watch the video till the end without skipping. Coming to first question, which of the following is true for communications from sensor nodes to sync? So the answer for first question, my probable answer is option B. So friends, if you have any doubt regarding change in answer, please comment in the comment section. So my answer is option B. And second question, sync nodes further process data after receiving the sensor nodes. The answer for second question is option A, true. And coming to third one, how many components does a sensor node have? The answer for third question is option C, that is 3. 3. So mark option C as correct answer for third question. Coming to fourth one, which category of cloud service does applications like Windows Azure belong to? So the answer for fourth question is PaaS, that is option B, that is platform as a service. So mark option B as correct answer for fourth question. And coming to fifth one, which of the following is true for virtual machines? So the answer for fifth question is option A, that is one computer host appears as many computers. So option A is correct answer for fifth question. And coming to sixth one, in sensor clouds, which of the following actors is analogous to WSN user in wireless sensor network? WSN. So option D, all of these is correct answer for sixth question. So mark option D as correct answer for sixth question. Coming to seventh one, in sensor clouds, which of the following sets the price for users as they consume the resources, or SEAAS? The answer for seventh question is option C, sensor cloud service provider. So mark option C as correct answer for seventh question. Okay. And coming to eighth one, the SCSP in sensor clouds is responsible for caching data in the database. Friends, my answer is option A. I feel somewhat doubt, so you can choose your own answer for this question, but my answer is option A. Coming to ninth one, they have given a diagram about architecture of service sensor cloud organization view. So the exact answer for ninth question, this is 100% correct. The answer is option B, template display. Mark option B as correct answer for ninth question. And coming to 10th question, in the service sensor cloud workflow, which of the following messages does the virtual sensor manager send to the resource manager? So the answer for 10th question is option D, that is release resource. So mark option D as correct answer for 10th question. Next, 11th question, which of the following represents an issue while using cloud computing in comparison to fog computing? So friends, my option is option B, that is latency but not velocity. Friends, this is somewhat doubt, so please choose your own answer, but I am going with option B. And coming to 12th one, while handling IoT data, a millisecond can make a huge difference. Yes, it is correct. So mark option A, that is true, as correct answer for 12th question. So mark option A. And coming to 13th one, as an IoT service provider, which of the following external platforms should you choose for deploying your services? So friends, I am going with option B, that is fog computing, but I am not pretty sure about that, so mark your own option for this question also. I am going with option B. And coming to, this is option B. And coming to 14th question, friends, if I get this question, I will post in the comment section or in the thumbnail. I will specify it. So until now I have not got this exact answer, so I cannot say you the answer without exact opinion, so I'm skipping this question. I will try to later update the information in the comment section or in the thumbnail, so I'm skipping this question for now. And coming to the final question, that is 15th question, what of the following is true for fog computing? So the answer for 15th question is option A, fog computing provides transient storage. So mark option A as correct answer for 15th question. So friends, I am going to submit these answers. Hope you like the video. If you feel the same, subscribe our channel, like this video and share to your friends. Until then, keep supporting us. Thank you. Bye.